Hi, I was just going to show you guys my ThinkPad, my Lenovo ThinkPad 430S. This is my main distro hopping laptop, but I don't think I'm going to be hopping very much for a while because I'm going to be going to visit my father soon. I was gonna just start with a clean boot into it. Now this ThinkPad has the ThinkLight, which I can enable, and it doesn't have backlit keys, but it has that, and it shines a light on the keys. I think it's kind of cool, but I don't really use it because I have a lamp in my room. Oh, password. When I first get booted up, I like to have HTOP running over here, and if I need to do something in the terminal that is going to take up a lot of screen real estate, I'll do it in the lower terminal. But usually I just run CMatrix. In the lower terminal. And run my terminal commands in the left-hand one. Just a little tour of this lovely system. I really like the keyboard. It's pretty comfortable to type on. I disable the touchpad and just use the track point. I'm a fan of that. But yeah, this is my system. This system is running ArcoLinux. And I usually choose XFCE as my desktop environment. I'm really a fan of it. I like the way that it has tiling and transparency features and multiple desktops. It's all very simple to operate and pretty. And on a clean desktop, I have Plank. So I have access to my shortcuts there. So there it is. Thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, be sure to hit like. See you next time.